Hello friends, today we are going to talk on topic how can we make our body strong and beautiful. Achieving a strong and beautiful body involves a combination of regular exercise and a balanced nutritious diet, proper hydration, adequate sleep and overall healthy lifestyle choices. Here are some general tips to help you enhance your strength and promote more attractive physique. Regular exercise. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, running, swimming, cycling, and strength training. The weightlifting, body weight exercises include both aerobics and anaerobics workouts in your routine for overall fitness. Focus on exercise that targets different muscle groups for a balanced approach. Strength training include resistance training to build a tone muscle. This could involve using weight resistance band for your body weight. Prioritize compounding exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups as they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Nutrition diet. Consume a well-balanced diet with a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Ensure an adequate intake of essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals to support overall health and fitness. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and to stay hydrated, support bodily function and aid in recovery. Adequate sleep. Aim of 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Quality sleep per night. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to promote mental and physical health. Consistency. Establish a consistent exercise routine and stick to it. Results come with time and dedication. Avoid extreme diets. Avoid extreme or fat diets. Instead, focus on sustainable long-term changes to your eating habits. Limit alcohol and tobacco use. Moderation or avoidance of alcohol and tobacco can positively impact your overall health appearance. Consult with professionals. Consider consulting with fitness professionals such as personal trainers or nutritionists for personal guidance based on your goal and health status. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's essential to find an approach that works for you and is sustainable in long term. But before starting any new fitness or nutrition program, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert, especially if you have an underlying health concerns or conditions. What should you eat? How much for this? Eating for strength and aesthetics involves a well-balanced diet and nutrient-dense diet. Here is general guidelines for type of food that include and their approximate proportion. Keep in mind that individual nutritional needs can vary. It's always a good idea to consult with healthcare professional or nutritionist or for personal advice. Protein. Protein is a crucial diet for muscle repair and growth. Source lean meats, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, tofu, and plant-based protein sources. Amount. Aim 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram for body weight a day, depending on your activity levels and goals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provides energy for your workouts and support overall body function. Source: whole grain, brown rice, fruit, vegetable, and legumes. Amount. Tailor with your carbohydrate intake based on your activity level and individual needs. A moderate amount of carbohydrate is generally recommended for energy. Fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Source: avocados, nuts, seeds, oily fats, olive oil, fish. Amount. Include moderate amount of healthy fats in your diet, but be mindful of overall calorie intake. Fruits and vegetables. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to half your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Hydration. Water is essential for overall health and help with digestion, nutrition, absorption, and muscle functions. Drink water throughout the day and consider factors like activity and climate, which determine your water intake. Meal timing. Consider eating small balanced meal every 3 to 4 hours to maintain energy levels and support muscle recovery. Include a combination of protein, carbohydrates and healthy fats in each meal. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use tools like measuring cups or food scale if needed. Limit processed food and added sugars. Minimize the intake of processed food and food high in added sugar. These can contribute to excess calorie intake without providing significant nutritional value. Post-workout nutrition. Consume a balanced meal or snack with protein and carbohydrates after you work out to support muscle recovery. Individual needs. Adjust your diet based on your individual goals, activity level, metabolism, and any specific dietary requirements or restrictions you may have. Remember, these are guidelines and individual nutritionists nutritional needs can vary. It is always a good idea to consult with healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice based on your specific requirements, circumstances and goals. Besides this, how should we look attractive to influence world? Attractiveness extends beyond physical appearance and can encompass combination of qualities that contribute a positive and influential presence. Here are some additional tips for cultivation and attractive and influential personality. Confidence. Confidence can significantly enhance attractiveness. Stand tall, make eye contact and believe in your abilities. Positive attitude. Maintain a positive and optimistic outlook. Positivity is contagious and can influence those around you. Effective communication. Develop strong communication skills. Listen actively, speak clearly and express your thought and idea with confidence. Genuine interest to others. Show genuine interest in others. Ask questions, actively listen and make people feel valued. Empathy and compassion. Demonstrate empathy and compassion, understand others' perspective and show kindness in your interactions. Cultivate a unique style. Develop a personal style and reflect your personality. This includes clothing, grooming and overall presentation. Continuous learning. Stay curious and committed to continuous learning. Being knowledgeable and well-informed can make you interesting and influential. Emotional intelligence. Develop emotional intelligence by understanding and managing your own emotions and being attuned to the emotions of others. Adaptability. Be adaptable and open to change. Flexibility in your thinking and approach can make you more resilient and influential. Leadership skills. Develop leadership skills, whether in your professional and personal life. Leading by example can inspire and influence others. Healthy lifestyle. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, get enough sleep and manage stress to maintain a healthy and vibrant appearance. Volunteer and give back. Engage in activities that combine or contribute to your community or cause you believe in. Giving back can be fulfilling and positively influence your image. Networking. Build a strong professional and social networking. Connections can open up opportunities and broaden your influence. Humor. A good sense of humor can make you relatable and approachable. Use human approach to connect with others. Maintain integrity. Uphold high ethical standards and maintain your integrity. Trust and authenticity is essential for long-term influence. Remember that the attractiveness and influence are subjective and different people are drawn to different qualities. Being true to yourself, focusing on personal growth and developing positive qualities will contribute to more attractive and influence presence in various